How to install your Wi-Fi with the SEMs Portal App.
First thing we need to do is go into Settings and click on Wi-Fi and basically turn your Wi-Fi on. And then we're looking for the inverter's access point, which should be called Solar Wi-Fi. Select Solar Wi-Fi, then type in the Wi-Fi password, which is 128. So 1234567 then join the network. Once the network's joined, we'll close the settings down and open up a browser window to type in the inverter IP address 10.10.100.253. And once that's done, we'll come up with a login screen. The username is admin and the password is admin, and it's all lowercase. So once we've logged in, change the website to English, and then we want to click on Start Setup. Once you hit Start Setup, basically you will see a table with all of the available networks. And what you need to do is click the Wi-Fi network that we are connecting the solar inverter to. As you can see on the right there is the RSSI. That's the signal strength. Anything lower than 15, basically the connection won't be that stable and the client will need to get some sort of Wi-Fi range extender. If it is above 15, then it should work. So we will select the II net and then go next. Okay, on the next page, we want the password of the Wi-Fi you are connecting to. This will be your home Wi-Fi. Once the password is in, always hit Show Password below that to confirm that the correct password has been entered. Because if you do get it wrong, it won't work and it won't tell you, and you'll probably have to go through the setup again. And then you can hit Next. Once you've hit Next, it prompts you with this screen. You just need to hit Complete, and that's it. So when you've done this, and if you're looking at the inverter, there'll be a flashing orange light. That light should become solid when it is connected to the network. However, after 10 to 15 minutes, if it is still flashing, something has gone wrong. And that'll either be there is not enough Wi-Fi signal strength, or you need to try it again because you've got the wrong password. The light is still flashing after 15 minutes, then please repeat this process to make sure it's been done correctly.
Step number 2. Download the SEMs Portal App. The first thing we need to do is go to the App Store on an iPhone or the Play Store on a Samsung phone. And then we need to search for the app SEMs Portal. Once found, please download. This may take a couple of minutes. Once the app is downloaded, we can open it. Click on Register and enter in the email address that you would like to register with and a password. Please save this somewhere. You will be sent a confirmation email with a link in it. Please open this link and click Submit. You are now registered. Please go back into the app and enter the email address again and your password. The final stage is to link your inverter to your account. Once logged into your account, select Create Immediately. Please create a name for your solar system. Now we need to locate your home address that your solar system is at. This part you must allow. If you click the Map button, the SEMs Portal App can access your location using GPS. Click Submit. For classification, please enter in Residential. Capacity. This is your inverter's kilowatt capacity. Please note, this is not your panel's kilowatt capacity. Module. This is the number of panels you have. For the profit ratio, enter 0.26 and select AUD as your currency. Please press Submit. Now we need to scan the serial code on your inverter, so please click Immediately Add and allow your phone to have access to your camera. To identify your inverter, you need to scan the serial number located on the side of the inverter. Once recognized, please click Add Inverter. The process is now complete, and your solar system will appear on your account. It can take up to an hour for data to initially appear. Understanding your app. I'm going to walk you through one of our demo setups on the SEMs Portal app so that you can understand how to read your system production. This here is the interface. Today, generation. This is the amount of units your system has produced that day. Total generation. This is the entire system's production since it has been installed. Today income. This is a rough estimation of what you have saved that day. Total income. A rough estimation of what you have saved since your system has been installed. In operations data, you can change the view from today to day, month, and year. And you can expand the view so that you can see a bell graph that shows your system's production throughout the day. With this, you can see what time of day your inverter is performing at its best, so you can plan the best times to use your energy and set timers on your appliances. If you go down to generation and click on day, you can compare the different days, months, and years generation against each other to learn more about how your system works. Back on the first page, down the bottom, go to monitoring. This shows a brief overview of your system currently working. Power. This is a live reading of what your system is producing right now. All other details are technical specifications. Play around with your app and learn how your solar system works. You can set it so that you get push notifications of how much energy your system is generating. For an accurate calculation of how much money you are saving with your solar system, please read the article titled "How to Read My Electricity Bill" in our support center.